Tired of your Wati contacts feeling locked away? Let's unlock them and get that data working for you. Alright, first things first, log into your Wati account, then look to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Contacts tab. This will bring up your entire contact list within Wati. Now, if you want to export all your contacts, you can skip this step, but if you only need a segmented list, use the filter options at the top of the Contacts section. You can filter by tags, attributes, or any other criteria you've set up. Take your time and create the exact list you need. Once you have the contact list you want to export, look for the Export button. This is usually located near the top right-hand corner of the contact list table. The icon usually displays an arrow pointing outwards or a file download icon. Click that. A pop-up window will appear, giving you options for your export. You will need to choose your export format. CSV is the most widely compatible, so it is the most recommended. Once you've picked your format, review any other settings, like whether to include column headers. Now, click Export. Wati will now begin processing your request. A progress bar may appear, indicating the progress of the export. Once the export is complete, the file, in the format you selected, will automatically download to your computer, usually to your Downloads folder. And that's it. You now have your Wati contacts safely exported. Open the file in your favorite spreadsheet program to back up your data, analyze it, or import it into another system. Now you can make the most of all that valuable customer information.